Of course on the phone, but
I'm Scruff.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a little bit foggy, but come on, it's fine. It's really fine. It was a very challenging journey here, but we made it from Hangzhou in 5 hours. That's not bad, is it? Right, let's go. Let's explore this place in the next few days. Woohoo!
Lars, don't leave me hanging.
Nope. So, this is the place that was recommended by teacher Gu. It's a beautiful place. Look, we have these old people exercising tools, and there is a very grumpy lady there. Be happy, yeah. We are going down to the Golden Beach. It's gonna be so gold. It's like solid gold pieces everywhere. That's what I heard. That woman over there, yeah, that one, she said it. And she didn't give me roast cake. Just crumbles. Wow, big energy crumbles. Big eat roast cake. Yeah. Let's go. Shitang!
Everywhere we go, we always have an audience.
Yeah, I know. I mean, this is Shitang. Hello.
Oh, he smells. He needs a
I
wash.
don't smell. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I know my friend. I know.
Shall I get out of the picture?
Yes. Hello. Bye. Oh, look at the side! Jesus Christ! Hey, give me kisu!
Oh.
Kisa!
Look at this. That is 30.
30.
What? And that is sign. Do we look good?
Yum, yum, yum.
Lucky. Hello. Fucking hell. Why do you have that?
Because you gave it me.
Jesus.
Baywatch. Come on.
Look at this, guys. This is a beautiful beach here.